Good afternoon, you guys. Today I'm in Shalon's Creole kitchen and she'll be preparing Metemgee and fried fish Guyanese style. Here's the prep behind me. Shalon will explain everything once she's preparing and cooking everything up. She'll let you know what everything is here. Yum.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. Once again, we're back to Shalon's Creole Kitchen and today we'll be making metemgee and fried fish. So, let us start. We have some provision here, and as we start, I'll be putting everything in the pot at once. I just wash it again and add the water. As we know, this is cassava, sweet potato, and some edibles. Yeah, so we'll add some coconut milk. As I say, Guyana, we blend our coconut. Over here, you buy the coconut milk in powder form. We add some tomatoes, some peppers, some celery, carrots. We actually put everything in the pot one time. Some onions. We add some black pepper. And this is some garlic. So we're going to do, we don't leave this to go to our boil. And then we will add some more stuff to it. But this is it for now. Alright, so whilst we're waiting on the metemgee to start to cook, we'll do our fried fish. You see, the fish is already seasoning. This is with blended seasoning, mostly blended seasoning and some dry seasoning. But it's mostly blended seasoning that I do myself. So, hot enough. Let's check and see. This fish is also from Guyana. Alright? The oil is not hot enough, so let's wait. Alright, so the oil hot enough, right? Now the fish is frying. Okay, so this fish is ready to turn.
Go.
Alright, so let us check on the metem.
Smelling good.
Yes, thank you.
Welcome.
So we put the plantain in late because the plantain is half ripe. So it will finish fast. We don't want the plantains to get too soft. Alright? Yeah, we put a little more onions. Now we can throw the sweet potatoes. The sweet peppers, I'm sorry. Sweet peppers. And some okras. You can also show this is seasoning salt, because as I said, I don't use salt, but this is seasoning. Salted seasoning. just give it a little turn, just so we will put the duck inside. By the time the rest of the thing finish cook, we'll put the duck inside of it. Alright, so the fish is done. Everybody say, well, why you cut meat so small? But I don't eat big meat. I think I like the flavor inside of the fish. Any meat I cook, so I normally cut it very small, so the flavor could reach to the bones. This is the first batch. Alright, so now this is the duck. Let's roll out for the Metemgee. It's simple. I use self-raising flour. So all I have to the duck is some butter, this butter, and some sugar and a little salt. So this is how we roll it. So just roll it out just to get it. Okay. So this is how we do the duck. All it is flour, sugar, salt, and some butter, you know. So this is, you just roll it like this, right? Putting it up at the top. And last but not least, some butter. Just like a tablespoon of butter to add some flavor to it. Alright, so let's see if it's done. Wow. You see? Done.
Here's the finishing touch. Shalon's Kitchen.
Alright, the Metemgee, fried fish, boiled egg, we have duck. Okay guys, so if you like the video, you understand now how to do meten with fried fish, go ahead, give me some thumbs up, share the video, give me a comment.